Alright guys, so we are back. We are about 3 or 4 hours into the Melaleuca Freedom Festival, I think it's called. Yeah, so here's the craziness. Not too bad.
If I was a kid, I would love it out here.
You'd be in heaven here, wouldn't you?
Kids over there, like, they're fighting. Oh, that one thing, that ball, like they're pushing the ball. These are fun.
Little climbing tower over there. Yeah, all kinds of
This is
stuff.
fun. I'd have a, yeah, this would be fun.
So I didn't say this in the previous video, but supposedly these fireworks are the best west of the Mississippi.
That's right. It's like a 35-minute program.
Yeah, it should be pretty good. All American-made fireworks. Nothing from China. So yeah, we're here. It's pretty awesome. They've done it a few times. They know what they're doing.
We are going to start out by grabbing one from Pronto Pups.
All right. So we are doing our first corn dog taste test. I think we're going to do 3 trucks today. So we will see.
Pronto Pup.
The one?
Thanks for coming back.
Yes.
$7.
Oh yeah.
Would you like ketchup or mustard on that?
What do you recommend?
It's with mustard. That's how it's supposed to just be with mustard.
Let's do that. So we travel full time in our van, and we're called Corndog Caravan. Okay. So anytime we go somewhere, we have to get a corn dog. So here's our sticker.
Well, didn't you say you called your husband corn dog?
He's corn dog.
Yeah.
Again.
1943, all beef, fresh dipped, never frozen corn dogs.
Awesome. Anything in the batter?
Huh?
Anything in the batter? Jalapenos or onions?
Nothing crazy. Nope. All just our. Just our normal corn dog. Like that's all you need. So
awesome.
Yeah, have a
And
good
y'all
one.
out of? You guys are located here in Idaho Falls?
The owner's out of Boise, so we run the franchise here.
Okay.
But it's the Falls brand all beef that we get. So, yeah.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you. You guys have a good one.
Thanks.
All right, so we got our first corn dog. This is a Pronto Pup. The way they serve it is just a regular corn dog smeared with mustard. So that's what we decided just to do the way they do it.
All right, so here we go.
Corn dog tasting the first corn dog. So as the lady said, it's a all beef hot dog.
Never frozen?
Never frozen, out of the Idaho Falls area. So it is local. Just a regular.
Decent amount of breading.
It's okay.
Very good. So Chris is now going to try the first dog in the corn dog taste test.
I don't generally just like mustard on my corn dog. This is good. Okay, we're done here. We are going to try, we're going to get one from the Corndog Company, which we've had before. And we're going to get one from that other place. We'll have to look at the name again. But I will say, because I do remember the Corndog Company, I do like their batter better.
Theirs was a little bit crunchier.
I like the Corndog Company a little bit better. So more.
And they have the option of putting honey on it too.
Well, that's what they're known for. That's what we're trying to do is, what are you known for? Let's do it that way.
Yeah.
See what we like. Okay, good. Very good. Let's move on. Are y'all local? Are you local?
You give us a little commercial for YouTube? See, our channel is Corndog Caravan.
Oh, no way.
So we can go around trying corn dogs.
So we try corn dogs. Here's our stickers.
Awesome. Oh, sweet.
just tell us about your corn dogs. What makes you different than everybody else?
Well, we've been told that we're the best. And I mean, the proof is right there.
Ooh. 2 years in a row.
Yeah.
That is awesome. And do y'all just travel around Idaho Falls like on different days and different, like on the weekends and stuff? And
so we've got a spot on Woodruff right next to Big Steel Outlet and like Planet Fitness.
Oh, okay, yeah.
For events, we travel around wherever we're needed.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, what do you recommend I put on top?
Honey.
Honey.
Yes.
So that's the thing around here.
That is it.
Okay.
Yes.
We're gonna do it.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
All right, Ray wants to do 1 part honey, 1 part mustard. There's honey. You don't want to overdo it. Okay. Here we go. I didn't realize we were live. Okay, so you take a bite of the honey and then I'll take a bite of the honey. We already know that we like honey on our corn dogs.
The hot dog's really good.
Yeah. It's good. I like it better than the last place.
Yep, a little bit better crunch.
It's not so heavy. The batter's not so heavy.
Yeah, the batter's lighter.
The hot dog's really good.
Okay, so I think they're going to be in the #1 spot. We've got the Corndog Company coming up.
I know this isn't part of our taste test, but I think I may have to take a trip to the churro truck.
Yeah. Might have to hit the churro truck after we're done. Yeah, now we've had the Corndog Company before down in Ely. It is a franchise of some sort. If they're cooked good, they were good and crispy at our last tasting. So we'll see if this franchise is holding up their end of the bargain. See if they have anything else other than corn dogs. I think that's all they had. They may have some other special treats, but we'll see. Be right back.
That'll do it.
All right, so we are now at the last truck. We are at the Corndog Co.
Company.
And we're here with the owner, Michael.
What's up?
So he has several trucks in Idaho. We'll travel, I guess, special events, catering, that kind of thing.
Yep, absolutely.
So we've had these before.
So you know when we were in Ely, we found the Corndog Company, and it quickly became our favorite. Let's see if Idaho can keep the first place alive. Yeah.
Yeah,
Try
the
it.
hot dog's much bigger frank.
The dog, the cornmeal ratio is perfect. Go for it.
Try to keep this honey from rolling off.
That's
All right.
the best part.
We had not had honey on our corn dog until we found a corn dog company in Nevada.
So good.
And it's the way. It's the way now. You're #1. Corn Dog Station is #2. And Pronto Pups is #3. We'll always, if we ever find a corn dog company, some friends of ours are up in Montana, and they're in Billings, and they were like, we ran across a corn dog company. I'm like, you gotta go get one.
So good. Thank you so much.
So good and crispy.
Oh yeah, the ratio is perfect. It's not too thick. And the honey.
And you guys do the cheese and the dog?
Oh yeah.
We haven't tried that one yet.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
At some point.
All right.
Yeah.
So my fingers are clean. They are in first place again. Absolutely delicious. So guys, if you like this kind of video of corn dog show-offs, seeing who can top the Corn Dog Co., give us a shout, and we'll try to catch it on our travels. Thanks for watching, guys. So fast forward another couple hours. It's now about almost 8 o'clock, and we're getting in our spot to see the fireworks. It's gotten a lot busier. Still not as busy as I thought it was going to be.
I think once we get down to the
Yeah.
end, I think that's probably our